How to drive a bus. Greetings, people. Today we're going to teach you how to drive the bus. So let's start. Here are the steps in driving a bus. First, when you get in the driver's seat, adjust your seat, steering wheel, mirrors, and fasten your seat belt. Second, when adjusting the mirror, make sure that you can see the rear wheels and the outside ones, as well as the road behind it. 3. When adjusting the inside mirror, you should be able to see the inside of the bus and the road behind the bus. 4. Adjust the cross-view mirrors in a way that you can see the front of the bus. 5. Engage the parking brake if they're not already set and stomp on the clutch pedal before turning on the ignition. 6. Change gears to neutral before turning the ignition key. 7. Position your hands correctly on the steering wheel. 8. It's recommended that you think of the steering wheel as a clock and put your hands where 9 and 3 o'clock on the clock would be. 9. Begin by pressing your left foot on the clutch, which is the pedal to the left of the brake. 10. The next step is to put your right foot on the brake while you shift into second gear, the starting gear. 11. Refer to the diagram on the top of the gear lever to know how to shift into gear. 12. Gradually lift your foot off the clutch until it reaches the friction point, then stop. 13. The friction point is when the bus will slowly start to move forwards. 14. At this point, put your foot on the accelerator and start accelerating by pushing further down on the accelerator. 15. To increase the speed of your bus, you'll shift up in the same way you did initially. 16. While slowing down your bus, shift down. 17. Before reaching the curve, slow down your bus and steer it towards the desired direction. 18. Start picking up speed again when you reach the middle of the curve. 19. While turning, leave enough room on the road for the entire bus to turn smoothly. 20. When entering traffic, make sure that you don't entirely rely on your mirrors. It's recommended that you look around physically. 21. When you put the indicator on for a turn, wait a few seconds before merging to give other drivers a chance to honk if you don't see them. 22. Always back the bus up with assistance. 23. To stop the bus, downshift to fourth gear when you've slowed down below 30. 24. While holding the clutch pedal down, gradually ease down on the brake until you come to a complete stop. 25. While parking, make sure that you engage the parking brake and turn the key to shut off the ignition. Note: this is just a guide towards understanding the operational controls of the bus. It's highly recommended that you go through proper training with your instructor before driving. This is it, guys. Make sure you go through all these steps thoroughly before getting on the bus. Share with us your experience in the comments section down below. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.